Hi, welcoming all. Now in this lecture, we're gonna learn about the in detail about the staircase as well as the railing part. Okay, so in order to start the railing, the staircase, let me go to the ground floor. I'll copy this plan. Okay, I just copy this plan. Okay, I create this way and drag and drop this way. Okay, then I'll go to the 3D. Let me see. Okay, the slab is missing. I need to do one thing. Again, to go to the first floor, copy the slab, and you can just take this way and paste it here. Go to the escape and go to the 3D. Yeah, now the slab has been created. So let me do one thing. It's fine. So basically this slab has been right now added. I go to the first floor. Okay, I create the opening for this. Okay, or maybe I will do one thing. I delete the staircase. So now I'll go to the ground floor. So now I just wanted to add the I delete all the measurement here. Okay, I'm just moving here. So I just want to create this staircase. Okay, so in order to create this staircase, you go to the architecture tab. You click on the staircase. As you click on the staircase, by default you have the staircase by components. Okay, so the component we have already gone through here. Okay, that means one is the straight. Maybe you can just go here. See, basically before entering the staircase, you just need to define the width of the staircase. So as of now, the width of the staircase is taken as 3 feet 3 inch. I'll enter as just 3, and the right, I just keep it as a left. Okay, then I'll end here. Then again I select here. Sorry, I'll do one thing. I connect. I create on the right somewhere one step extra. Then again on the right side only I create this way. Okay, then I've entered. Right, so now I'll create on the finish. Let me go to the 3D, which has given the error. Okay, it's fine, but I need to open this. I'll go to the first floor right now. I edit this lab. Okay, over here, edit boundary, open the slab where staircase is coming. Maybe I'm just to show you, I'm just opening this way. I'm just okay, closing, done. Unjoin element, delete constraints is fine. Go to the 3D. See, now basically the it has the open this way. Okay, now I just want to create this as the monolithic. Go here, select this, create as the monolithic, becomes the concrete. So now I think this is how the basically the component, the staircase by component is going to work. I have made extra open that you can just edit in the staircase or maybe the slab. So this is one of the methods just to place the staircase. Maybe a different types of pre-built components which are available. So again, if you want to just to show, I click on the staircase. There are different other types of full step spiral test. These kinds of staircase. If you want, you can just place this way. So it basically takes the ground floor to first floor with all the dimension. It will automatically divide the staircase, and you can just look at how it looks. So again, here as well, you go to the edit type. Once again I create this way, run. Fine. So if you want, you can just change the materials. As of now, I'm not changing. Edit type, the riser as well, the tread. I'll enter the concrete, cast inside. Okay, then tread, edit type, this concrete, cast inside. Okay, see, now the material has been changed this. And then if you don't want, you can just the railing also. If you don't want the railing, you can just delete, or maybe I internal one. If you want, you can delete this way. This is how the staircase by component is going to work. Now again, I'm having the center and spiral. This is one of the staircases which I'm having. See, so this is how one of the the methods of the components staircase by component is going to work. Then one more is the L shape. So maybe escape here, I'll click on the L shape. See here, this is how it's going to create. Then one more, we have the U shape. These are the already pre-decided. You no need to do anything, you just enter and drag and drop here. Okay, right, this is how it's going to create. See, these are the staircases which are pre-decided. Okay, now after finish you can just clear and click on the OK. Right, now you can able to notice, right? So the next model or the next the topic is, see, every place don't have the opportunity of taking the components by the standard. So each time you just need to suppose say you have the space is constrained, or maybe the custom staircase you want to define. In that situation, we can use the topic called the create by sketch, create the staircase by sketch. So in order to explore this, let me exit first. Let me go to the ground floor. I delete this first. Okay, I delete the staircase. Okay, so now I'll go to the staircase. I'm just in the ground floor. Okay, now width of the staircase I'll enter as the 3 feet. Okay, now I'll take the create sketch. So there are 3 steps you need to follow, especially when you are creating the staircases the custom staircases. First is the boundary. I just need to define which boundary. Okay, then I need to define the riser, then I need to define the staircase path. Okay, so let me start with the boundary first. Okay, now I'll enter, I take this way, I enter here, and maybe I enter 6 feet 3 inches or 6 feet 5. Okay, fine. Now I use the I need to make the offset, or maybe I need to duplicate this. One side boundary is created, one more side I need to create. So I click on this, I create on the offset. How much offset you want? Maybe you basically this one I created as a 3 feet as my offset. Okay, here as well. So now I use the command trim, or maybe the shortcut TR. I eliminate this. Okay, this has been completed. The first part has been created, the boundary has been created. So now I need to close the riser. Then in order to go to the next step, I'm just briefing once again. First we need to do the boundary. The boundary has been now created. Okay, the next is riser. In order to complete the riser, I have selected as the riser selection, and I have taken as the line. So let me start with here, I close. Now again here I'll see, basically the boundary color is in the green, and the riser color in the black. Now I need to create the copies. This object, I want to create the copy. Make sure that you have enabled the constraint as well as the multiple. So now I enter somewhere here. I'll give the width as I think 8 inches, or maybe the 9 inches. The same way, 9 inches, 9 inches, or maybe you can go up to the 1 feet also fine. Now I'm just keeping as a 9 inches, 9 inches, 9 inches, 9 inches. Okay, okay, I'm just to understand the demo, I'm just making this way. Nice, or nice. Okay, 7 inches fine. Now again I go here, I'll connect somewhere here. Again I select, sorry, I need to control Z, because it is taken as in the boundary. Make sure that I need to select on the riser. Again I'll start from here. Okay, now again select this. Okay, now you copy, maybe I'll enter as these 9 inches, 9 inches, 9 inches, 8 inches. With the last one I'll enter the 6 inches. So okay, now the basically the riser selection of the part has been done. It should be uniform, but as of now it's I have this one is the rest of the things are 9 and it is the 7 or 8. So make sure that you should be in very and I mean the standard or the equal distances the riser you should maintain. The next is the staircase path. The third one steps I need to click on the staircase path. So from here to here I just need to define this way and it has to go. So I have defined or I have told I have given the command as staircase to be followed in this way. See the third the color which is quite bluish in color, you can able to notice. So after that you need to simply click on the OK. So now the staircase has been right now created. Click on OK. Now you go to the 3D view. There is error has come, but it is fine. Then the monolithic concrete is already default it is taken. Now again I think the number of staircase is less, so it is the reason it is not taken till the top. So I need to make sure that you have already calculated the number of staircases and how to just to reach here, that you have to ensure. Basically this staircase this method is useful when you have the custom staircases or by own you want to define or maybe you want to design the staircase. That time you can use this command basically. So next is again you can select the railing here. If you want you can just change this railing, maybe a rectangular one. If you want you can just give, or maybe the glass panel. Basically the glass panel sometimes gives the error when there is constrained spaces are available, or maybe the no proper the congested area is available. That time definitely the staircase by the railing by glass gives some error, or maybe the it doesn't fit. So I recommend just maybe use the rectangular boxes type, these kinds of railing. So okay, so hope you understood the concept of the staircase by sketch. At the same time you can go to the ground floor and you can just add the section details here, or maybe it's already there. I need to move this way here. I'll go to the section details. I will go to the view here. So I create where is this? Okay, now if you want you can just go to the annotation part. You can add the thread numbers. Automatically the thread number is going to showcase this way, right? So then if you want is a ground floor here as well, you can just show the thread number. See here, right? So you are showcasing the thread number. So this is overlapped because the last one the spacing is very less, and this is how the naming is going to take. And then you have then this is how basically the staircase part is going to you'll understand, as well as the railing. Then I go to the 3D as well once again. So here as well I just want to create the railing for this entire the slab. So I'll do one thing, I select the slab, I add the top offset as, because it's in the same line, or maybe I do one thing, I can do the join geometry. I go to here, I click on the join geometry and this. So see now the overlap the surfaces has been what I can see gone. So this is how the use of the join geometry command. Okay, now I think somewhere it is been applied to this as well. So now you can able to notice this is it looks like fancy, but you can create your own. Maybe if you want you can just add your own paint, and you can just make more asterisk. Maybe you can just add the different colors, cherry color, see here, right? So this is how the design part you can try and you can just work. The next is we will add the railing here as well. Go here, I'll go to the first floor. In the first floor I want to add the railing here. So in order to add the railing, you have the railing. Once again I'm exit here, railing by sketch by path. Here as well you have the difference maybe that you can just select the line or maybe the rectangle, whatever. I select the rectangular one. Okay, then I leave here, I close, I'll go to the 3D view. You can able to notice the rectangle has been these kinds of railing has been created. Now if you want, you can just change the railing materials, see here, or maybe if you want, you can just use the glass panel. Basically these kinds of, the when the span is more, the glass railing is looks fine and looks perfectly okay, right? So hope you understood the concept of the staircase modifying, and the railings, and you can change the railing design and the whichever the material you want. So then again you have understood the staircase by component as well as the staircase by sketch, right? So you try to do it yourself, and you explore the concept, and you practice more, and you'll understand much. Yes, then let's catch up in the next module. Okay.